Hi, so I'm Ross. This is my Panasonic welding robot that we're trying to modify to polish basins. We built a little structure around the robot to hold it up to maximize the reach of the robot. We were advised to hang it from the roof or upside down. So what we've done so far is we've put an air-powered polishing unit. Apparently that's lighter weight than electric-powered unit. You're going to most probably modify this a little bit. This is just the first attempt, and we noticed that it's going to be awkward to get it into the actual bowl of the basin due to the size over here. So I'll just switch that on. So we're hoping over time to automate, put a little actuator switch on and tie that into the control box. And also have a point that squirts the polishing paste onto the basin. So those are all things to come. This is just, at the moment, this is just our basic setup. I've got Vincent coming from Panwell to help us get started today. The control box, they came with the robotic arm, is over here. The first attempt at wiring it up, we kind of popped a few fuses because we didn't realize this was a 110 volt system based on the American or the Japanese electricity supply. So then we got our transformer, so it switches on. The programming is supposed to be fairly easy, but we'll have to see. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a fun project. The gripping of the actual basin has been a challenge. At the moment we're going with an air-powered gripping mechanism. But I suspect that won't be strong enough. We also need to get the position very accurate on the basin. Obviously, the robot needs to have the item that's going to polish in exactly the same position each time. So I've got a few ideas around this. Vacuum seems to be an option. So we're still going to fiddle with that. So this is just kind of an opening video to just show you where we are so far. And if you follow us, we can hopefully, you can see where we're going and what solutions we come up with. I did look at the actual, there is a bit of play in this, so the actual mop has a bit of play, which is great for, not requiring 100% accuracy, but even so, I'd like to look at setting a tension operated kind of holding device for the air-powered mop, so that if it can actually push and hold a certain amount of pressure against the basin. So this is kind of Mark 1. I'm thinking of setting it back and then also possibly adding a tensioning unit, which will either tension with springs or possibly air. Okay, cheers.